Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Brickmania Brickware. Today I'll be building this. It's another Brickmania Kit, the T-14 Armata. It contains 887 pieces, and it was designed cordial cell. And if you had the extra set, it would have cost you $395. It was released back in 2017. So this will be a course built from the instructions. So for the descriptions, it was in the Victory Day Parade in Moscow back in 2015, and supposedly it was released as a test deployment in Syria. Of course, even with the war with the Ukrainians, they thought they might deploy the tank over there, but they haven't yet, because this is the most powerful tank that the Russians supposedly made. Like it contains 105mm small bore cannon, and also it could contain up to 3 crews, and it has an auto loader. Could contain up to 45 rounds, and supposedly it's supposed to go up to 50 to 56 miles per hour and range of 310 miles per hour. Supposedly. So here are the pieces, and here's the sticker that you buy with it in order to put the details on it. And of course, if you have the actual set, it comes with one minifig. So that's it. I will sort the pieces and do the build. of the T-14 Armata main battle tank from Russia. Here's one side. Here's the front. Here's the side. And here's the back. Of course, it doesn't roll that well. But maybe if I switch it to the newer version 3 trick things, maybe it works well. Because the turret does rotate 360 degrees. Put this down. Okay. And okay. And the designers put a special play feature on this. If you turn this knob right here, those will rotate by itself. And of course, there's another model he did with this feature, and which is on the M4A3 patent. If you leave a comment if you want to see that tank build as well, it's from the Vietnam era. And of course, there's an opening hatch right here on the front, so you could fit 2 Russian tankers in there. And of course, it comes with aluminum packet. And of course, this is the first thing done. It comes with the unmanned turret, and it has all the ammo and auto load that's stored in the main turret, of course. And then the cannon does elevates and depresses a little bit, okay, because you got to be careful because it might come out. And then so that's it. Of course, about the minifigure, this I got from minifig. It can cost them each to get the minifigure. I just about the head and the torso and the leg for $20.50. And of course, I got the helmet from Brickmania, the tanker helmet, which is from minifig. I forgot what the company is called, but then you can buy this from Brickmania with the microphone set for like $2.50, including the helmet. So the figure by itself, I guess they cost around less than $25, which is a good value. So of course, this tank has not been actually been in a battle yet, as it was shown in the parade 9 years ago. Of course, they said they posted battle testing in Syria, but then we don't know how that went. They probably kept that report secret. And of course, let's say it actually went up against world famous M1A2 Abrams. We don't know. I guess I could say they could say it could be equal if this was actually powerful as the Russians say it is. As it supposed to with the latest technology, with the things like that, and of course I guess the only latest thing is that they have the auto door and it's an unmanned turret. So I guess that's it. Of course, this tank will carry a crew of 3, while the Abrams still carries crew of 4. But then I guess they head to a battle, probably even because they win this, because the set between, of course, the rest, of course, the NATO nations have been upping the tank game because they just come with the K-51 Panther from Germany, and then France the update tank also, and then also British are developing their new version of Challenger, which is the called Challenger 3. So we see the public try to make it more powerful than this, and as you know that General Dynamics also developed the newest version, and everything, which was like a test model, but then now police was because I already didn't pull that, but then looks like a very popular tank which is called the Abrams X. I just see that in Lego for me, and I hope bring me a message. Hope you do. So that's it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below what to say next. And so I'll leave a link to the screen below to the product page on Brickmania on this thing. And that's it. And have a nice day. And see you on the next video. Bye bye.